Looks like you're in the jungle here.
Yeah.
Why are we here?
So basically, this is it's not a banana, it looks like banana, but it's a giant Strelizia. And what are you going to do is...
It's beautiful.
Yeah, it's okay. But what I'm going to do, I'm just going to
Strelizia.
take panga,
Yes.
cut...
Oh, is this for a decoration?
No, we're having cooking for lunch.
Okay, I also want to be in this shot.
Okay.
I want to introduce myself. So, hello, I'm Josie. This is Mike. And Mike is going to be cooking chicken
In banana leaves.
Strelizia leaves.
Yeah. You can use Strelizia leaves or banana leaves.
Okay, so let's see if I was in that shot, and thank you very much.
Okay, so we're basically making supper. Roast chicken on roast potatoes, and we're going to have feta cheese and spinach topping with some whatever else on the side.
Okay,
Yeah.
cool, sounds good. That's a nice fire, Mike.
Yeah, so we're making quite a few coals.
I'm a bit of a pyromaniac,
because it's got to burn for a while. The coals are going to last for a while.
Okay, so I'll see you in half an hour.
Yeah, but we can just quickly prep the chicken. The problem is it takes so little time to prep that chicken. About 45 and a half seconds. Okay, maybe more. 2 minutes 45 and a half seconds.
So we'll just do it then.
Okay, cool.
Stop talking.
Take your Strelizia leaf. You're paying attention, eh? And create a layer in the bottom of your pot. So you just put it off here. A layer like this at the bottom, because that's where a lot of the heat's going to be. Just give it a little bit extra at the bottom, just like this.
So there's no properties in a Strelizia leaf that could cause some sort of dysentery or something that somebody might not agree with in their
I've been running this experiment now for about 60 years.
Yes.
And so far,
So you've been cooking for 60 years?
I've been cooked for 60 years, but only
So you started cooking when you was 1 or something. Okay. Are you 60? You look good for a 60-year-old.
Eh? Oh, thanks, Josie.
Really?
Prep the chicken. What you do, this is really important. You must take it out of the wrapping before you put it in a pot.
And make sure it's got no giblets in it.
So what's going to happen is it's going to go on a reasonably hot fire, and the Strelizia leaf is going to burn actually, and it's going to smoke. And that's it.
So no liquid, huh?
Nothing. There's enough liquid in the chicken, and there's enough liquid on the Strelizia leaf, and yeah.
Cool. Okay, let's get on to the roast potatoes.
Yeah.
See, if I had a panga, I could help you.
Yeah. Another thing nice about a panga, it's so easy to cut those little twigs like this. And just break them so they fit in the pot.
But now this wood is dry. Is there any moisture in that wood?
No. And you want dry wood. You don't want wood that is wet.
Oh, okay.
Because we're trying to absorb all the moisture. And serve two purposes. The first one is the most important one. It's going to absorb all the moisture. But the second one, it keeps the potatoes off the bottom of the pot. My hand. Got some coarse salt. Take my potato. Just give it a bit of a rub. And there it goes. And again, that's now all the preparation for the potato. How long have we been going now? About?
7 minutes.
7 minutes. And we've done roast potatoes and chicken. I'm going to leave the lid open ever so slightly.
Slightly ajar.
Slightly ajar. So we can get the
steam
out.
Okay.
And
but I thought we were drawing the liquid from the potato.
So the sticks are
and you don't want to steam them, you want to release
I want that steam, as much steam gone as possible, but I want to create heat in here.
Right.
So basically, it's an oven. So we're doing roast potatoes.
Amazing.
Yeah. And no flipping tin foil.
Yeah, exactly.
No tin foil, people. It's not required. You have a flipping pointy pot. Come on. What we're doing now is not a big spinach dish. We just wanted something to go with the potatoes. Whoops, I want to make that.
Okay. Oh, there's onions. Oh, so you cook the onions first?
Cook the onions a little bit now. There we go. So I'm just going to get that started, let it saute a bit.
Is there pudding there somewhere? Where's the pudding? You need another pot.
I'm doing ice cream at the back. The secret of cooking the spinach is not too much heat. So once it's sauteed,
Right.
then you take it off the main heat.
Yes. And you just put the lid on.
Just put the lid on.
And it cooks itself.
And it cooks itself.
Nice. That's what's nice about these pots, is they retain heat.
And just all the herbs and spices that went in there.
No, I just saw onions.
No herbs, no spices, just like this. On top.
And that's it. No.
That is it.
Seriously?
Yeah.
And you don't even put it back on the fire?
Oh, yeah, it goes on the fire, yeah, for sure. And there we are.
Yay. I'll just stand here for an hour.
Yeah, cool. Keep
And I'll call you when it's ready, okay?
Now I'm going to go for a swim. We'll be back. Take me and plumb in the...
I'll just use that leaf as a fan.
There you go.
Yeah.
There you go. Cool you down, Josie.
Yeah.
Yeah? Feeling better?
Can you go make that swimming pool? Michael, how's the chicken going?
Yeah, it's going.
How do you know?
Yeah, look, the fire's still going. Pots are there.
I did film your bum. Cut! Lots of steam coming out of the lids.
The potatoes at this stage
Yeah.
should be browning ever so slightly because of the smoke.
Right.
But, and there we go. They're already going nice and brown.
Yep,
and it's
they
starting to
sure
get
are.
crispy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They are.
And it's baked potatoes. You don't want, you know, if they were steamed, they get all soft. But you're going to taste that.
That's amazing.
This is going to be really nice.
I think you should put your shirt on.
I think so too.
That's the mouse talking. She's just jealous. She doesn't want everybody to... Oh, look. You just milked the feta, the goat.
There you go.
Yum.
Let that spinach and the feta do its thing.
And do you put that... No, the pot's hot enough. You can just leave it there now,
Now I'm
right?
going to keep it on the side but off the flame now.
Okay, put your shirt back on. Can't handle any of this porn anymore. I mean, it's hot around here, but now it's just way too hot. Do we get to look at the chicken or
You
not?
have a peep at the chicken.
Yay, I love peeping chicken. Chicken peeping.
Okay, so we're expecting to see everything black on the outside, okay? So, oh, look at it.
Ah,
Look at that. One little problem we have now
yeah,
is that once it falls off the bone, it's just
That's okay.
so delicious and nice.
that's hardly a problem. That looks amaze balls. Smells amazing.
Hard. So, Mace, I'm famous. I'm in a movie with Josie Borain. Cool as that, eh?
Hey, listen, I'm in a movie with Josie Borain and I'm not even famous. But Mike, I've got to tell you,
Yeah, how's the chicken?
it's so tasty. And
It's
it's,
good, eh?
well, you know what the craziest part is there's no spices.
Nothing.
Like your spinach.
No salt.
I know, it's crazy.
Nothing. And it's,
so
you
good.
can taste it. Good, eh? Yeah.
I'm a vegetarian, but I'm breaking because I had lamb accidentally, which I didn't know I was having. Today, I'm now having chicken. And you know what?
Chicken is vegetables.
Chickens eat
Ask any
vegetables.
fisherman. Chicken is vegetables.